Now that one of the two vaccines is approved, a big question is about who is willing to take it. Fox 47's Maria Bray asked Rochester residents how they are feeling about the vaccine. Cam, what'd you find out?
Well, there were a lot of mixed feelings when I spoke to people downtown Rochester as they weigh in on if they will take the vaccine right away or not. In a 17-4 vote, the FDA approves the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. Healthcare workers and long-term care residents could get doses in just a couple of weeks.
It feels good. It feels like a little light at the end of the tunnel, maybe.
Kaylin Margada is a Mayo Clinic physical therapist. She may be one of the first in line to get the vaccine. But how does the general public feel, as the vaccine won't be available for those groups until months later? Do you plan on taking the COVID-19 vaccine?
Yes, but not right away, but yes.
How long after would you take it?
I at least want to wait a couple months just to see what the results are from the first wave and see how, if it works.
And he's not the only one who wants to wait.
I will not take it just because there's not a lot of evidence of what will happen in the future. I'm going to wait it out and see kind of what happens, and then maybe eventually I'll take it.
While others have their mind fully made up.
I'll be right there in line.
Yep. Right there too. I just signed up for a clinical trial for vaccines through Mayo, so whatever's necessary, I'll be taking it.
Would you take the vaccine?
I would not take the vaccines.
Why?
Because I feel like I've been around other people who had it and who don't have it, and I never caught it. How?
I don't want to get injected by something if I don't know what's actually in it. COVID is real, because many millions of people dying from it. But at the same time, what if it don't work?
And for one man, he's still figuring his answer out.
So with the COVID vaccine, I haven't really thought about it too much, not really 100% sure when it's coming out, for one. And I haven't really made a decision yet if I'd take it or not. I haven't really fully considered it yet.
But healthcare workers are confident in the vaccine.
It's important to helping prevent the spread of the virus.
The Moderna vaccine is expected to get FDA approval on Thursday of next week. And earlier this week, we spoke to a vaccine researcher at Mayo Clinic who says he is confident in the vaccine and reminds skeptics that the research doesn't stop now that it's been approved. In the newsroom, Maria Bray, Fox 47 News.